In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports in WooCommerce fast and easy. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple process that will have you managing your e-commerce data with ease. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the dashboard of your WordPress site. This is the central hub for all things related to your website's content and preferences. From here, you're a few clicks away from getting the reports you need exported. Next, you'll click on the WooCommerce option in your dashboard. WooCommerce is a powerful tool for managing your online store, tracking sales, and staying on top of customer interactions. It integrates seamlessly into WordPress, making it a popular choice for many e-commerce businesses. Once you click on WooCommerce, you'll find various tabs that help you manage your store efficiently. Among these tabs is the Reports section. Now click on the Reports tab. This is where you'll access a variety of data related to your store's performance. You'll find detailed insights on sales, orders, and customer activity, among other things. This information is crucial for assessing how your store is doing and planning future strategies. At this point, you have the flexibility to choose the specific type of report you want to export. Maybe you're interested in viewing sales by date, product, or category, or perhaps you're looking to analyze customer reports. Whatever it is, take a moment to select the report that suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, look for the Export CSV option. Clicking on this will allow you to generate a CSV file of the report you've chosen. CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is a widely used format that lets you store tabular data in a text format. It's highly compatible with programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, which you might use for further data analysis or record keeping. After you click Export CSV, your computer will prompt you to save the file. Choose a location that's easy to remember so you can access it quickly when you need to. It could be a dedicated folder for your WooCommerce reports, your desktop, or wherever you find convenient. Saving this file means you now have a permanent record of that report, which you can analyze offline, share with colleagues, or keep as part of your business documentation. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported a report from WooCommerce with just a few simple steps. This process allows you to efficiently track and analyze your online store's data, helping you make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials and don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Happy selling!